Fisherman soup is not just any kind of soup, but this is a soup that is filled with culture, tradition, and also flavor. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef, Bosse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your fisherman soup. These are the ingredients you need to make your soup: your snail and your pepper with your onion. This is our COCOYAM powder, and it's used to thicken our soup. Our crayfish, seasoning cube, our UZIZA seed, and our shrimp's head and the skin, our fish, UZIZA leaves. This is our octopus, calamari, shrimps, and snail. Our periwinkle, and also our red oil. And these are all the ingredients you need to make your fisherman soup. In the pot, you're just going to add a water and then allow it to bring to a boil before you add your fish. After you add your fish, you're just going to add your seasoning cube and also your grated pepper and onion. And we are doing this to build flavor for our soup. Then we're just going to stir a bit, and then we're just going to cover our fish and allow it to boil between 4 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. Mind you, make sure your fish is not fully cooked. At this stage, our fish is not fully cooked, so we're just going to bring it out. And you just have to be careful with it so your fish don't tend to break or scatter. So we're just going to bring them out and set aside. After bringing our fish out, we're just going to add our calamari, octopus, our shrimps, crab, and snail inside our pot and allow it to boil. Then we're just going to blend our UZIZA seed and our shrimp's head and a mixture with our UFOR spice. And we're just going to sieve this inside our pot to give it its rich and tradition flavor. Then we're just going to stir a bit and then cover it and allow it to get cooked. And this took between 10 to 12 minutes. So now we're just going to add our periwinkle, our crayfish, then stir a bit. Then we're going to add our red oil to this, and then cover it and allow it to boil. While this is boiling, we're just going to add our COCOYAM powder inside a bowl. Add a little bit of water. Like I said earlier, this serves as a thickener for our soup. So we're just going to add it to it. Stir a bit. Then start to add our fish to our soup back. While doing this, like I said earlier, you just need to be very careful when it comes to adding your fish. If you're not careful, at the end of the day, you won't have any fish because everything will just break inside your soup. So you just have to be careful. Next step is our UZIZA leaves. Then we're just going to mix again. And at this stage, I will always advise you to taste your soup in order for you to adjust its seasoning. If you want to add a little bit of extra crayfish, Maggi, salt, this is the time for you to do that. So after we add our leaves, as you can see, my soup is already coming together. We're just going to cover this and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes on a low heat, and at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.